everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify Exness account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Exness application. You can see over here, Exness application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the accounts interface. So if you want to verify your account, at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for profile. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find the options related with profile over here. At first, you'll be able to find the section for verification. Simply tap on the option verification. Now you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to see the verification steps over here. First of all, you'll have to confirm the email and phone number. You'll also have to add the personal details. Also, you'll have to verify your identity and verify the residential address. So simply tap on the option complete now that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to complete the registration process to become a real trader. Simply tap on this option, send me a code. Now a code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is launch open Gmail. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Exness has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Exness tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you verify your email, you'll also have to verify your phone number. Simply enter your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the valid phone number. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After you tap on the continue option, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, you'll have to verify your phone number by entering the code sent to you via SMS. Since the phone number I provided is not correct, I'm not being able to proceed, but you'll be able to proceed to other steps. Simply verify your phone number. After that, you'll have to complete your profile. Provide your personal information like name, address, date of birth and other relevant details. Also complete the economic profile section. Now after you complete your profile, you'll have to verify your identity and residence. First of all, you'll have to go through the identity verification. Select the country of issue for your ID and type of document. You can select the type of documents of passport, national ID or driver's license. You'll also have to upload a clear photo or scan of your ID according to the requirements. Now after you verify your identity, you'll also have to verify your residence. So simply select the country of issue for your proof of residence and type of document. Ensure the document is recent and clearly displays your name and address. Upload a photo or scan of your proof of residence according to the requirements. Now after that, what you have to do is wait for the approval. Exness usually reviews the document within hours, but it can also take up to 24 hours. You can check the status of your verification in your Exness dashboard. For enhanced security, you might be required to complete a face scan to verify your identity and confirm the account ownership. Now after you do that, simply wait for a while and your account will be verified. Check for the status. You'll be able to see your status in the Exness dashboard. Also, you'll be informed via email if your account has been verified. So like this, you'll be able to verify your account. So that is how you verify Exness account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.